Alright, welcome along to another episode. You join us in the middle of nowhere above Litchfield, where we're picking up this excavator and taking it up to Pontefract. You may have seen Pontefract in one of the other videos. I'll put a link up on it now. It's a Silloth one. It's when I started off down in Cornwall and went up towards Silloth. So the machine that we got on today is a Kobelco 210, weighing around about 23 tons, and yes, it is an excavator. So it's one of the general usage ones. You tend to see these on more on the sites where they do groundworks and all that sort of stuff just before the houses are built. So you've got the bigger machines in that do the heavy duty stuff before the smaller 15 tonners and 8 tonners go in to do the more delicate stuff. So these machines will be in there for that. Just watch out for these potholes, these tyre bursters. So it's not a bad run up to Pontefract anyway. We got to we got to get this back onto the A38 all the way up to the M1, M18, A1M, and then off in for where this chap's place is. So it's not too bad. A bit of a bumpy road on the way in. It's just, it goes up and down, and you've got to just take your time on it, to be honest with you. From there then we'll be picking up an A30, which I don't think I'll record because it's a Friday and it tends to get a little bit busy on a Friday. So we'll see how it goes. But I got to take that down to the docks for export down on the other side of London. Sheerness or Sharpness. They always get the Sheerness. I always get the two mixed up anyway. One's in Gloucester, one's on the other side of London. So anyway, just follow this road out now. We haven't got long left of it. Just down this now, and then we'll be turning left on the 515 end because the road's closed just up there, so we've had to reroute then. Ideally we would have been coming out of that where we were just now, turning right down the lane at the end of the road, turn right again and follow it to the A38. But because that section of road is shut all this week, we've got to go down towards Litchfield, Fradley Parking, the distribution centre there. I know it's another machine being picked up, so I'm praying that he doesn't come in at the same time as us. That would be a little bit awkward. So hopefully we get out to this lane now before he turns up, and it looks like we got the all clear. Happy days. No need for dramatic music or anything, which is good. haven't experienced this is an A30 cab. It's going to shout to me now because I haven't put the seatbelt on. And shout to me because the door's open as well. And that's it. Hold on, should have it. Well, I'm going to cool down. Sometimes you got to cool down, it'll stay running. 3 points of contact. So we're going to make our way down to Sheerness now. So we're not going to cover it in this video, but yeah, it was a nice easy trip up on that one. I didn't do much recording on the route on the way up, especially on the way in by here now. I didn't record that in, and like I normally do and everything. So it was basically just loading and offloading, and a little bit of route out where we came from. So we've got the machine swapped over, so that's us done on this episode. So like he's scared of the curbs, isn't he? It's alright for me to get close up. Anyway, stop coming forward and wait for... The pavement's there to drive on, you know, it's perfectly fine. So just waiting for me on a wider part. People, innit? Anyway, we'll get there again now. Oh well, look, somebody... pavement again. Don't need to go on the pavement, look how much space it is. You know what I mean? I only got an A30 on. It's not like a B45 or anything. It's only a 23 ton machine. Well, 24 ton, it's a closer 24 anyway. So, remember, if you're liking what you're seeing, and then really you should have hit that subscribe button, shouldn't you? And giving us a follow, hit the like, and you know, comment down below and whatnot. You know what to do. I'm not gonna tell you how to suck eggs. But yes, if you can do that for us, that'd be much appreciated if you haven't done so already. And then the other thing is as well, and if you'd like to help a channel out, then you can hit the thanks button down below, or buy us a coffee, link in the description, or become a channel member, and that's also down below as well. So them are the ways you can help the channel out. So yeah, look forward to seeing you again in the next episode. Well, I won't, but you'll see me, if you know what I mean. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.